Morning. Ito breakfast natin ngayon. Oh. Yo. Oh, eggplant. Nice. Croissant. Tomato. Alright. Okay, ito yung breakfast ko. Scrambled egg, eggplant, inihaw na eggplant. Then there's Armenian sausage and the Armenian pork na cultured. Test natin yan mga guys. Ito, belly ito eh. Ito yung smoke siya, smoke. This one, ito yata para siyang pata, para smoked pata, like a jerky beef. Salty and smelly. What's this?
Garlic.
Huh?
Barley. Or
Barley?
either bulgur or barley, I'm not sure.
It's not a rice, but it's I think barley. Then pickled okra.
Yeah, I think it's bulgur.
Asin. Small cucumber.
Take it.
Huh?
Take it.
Hindi ko alam. Oh.
Strong?
Too strong. And eggplant. Eggplant is my favorite. The sausage. Armenian sausage. Same. Ito, smoked sausage. Sana masarap. Ano lasa? Okay siya. You like it? Right, I think natikman ko na lahat and I'm gonna enjoy my food. Bye-bye. We have arrived in Tingnan Ruins. We are here at Garni. The travel time is an hour. Medyo matagal. Ayan. Rough road kasi. Souvenirs. And we're approaching it. So where's the temple? Keep walking. I think it's a long walk. Yeah. Ito yung map. And this is his story. It was like a fortress. It was in the 15th century. Settlement connected with the great grandson of Armenian ancestor in honor to him temple. For my version, was built between Greek and Roman period, and it's like a temple of worship. I think so. Right? It's a long walk. Let's go. And once you enter the gate, on the way on the temple, you will see the original stone, because it was because this was reconstructed again in 1970 during the Soviet. And may mga writings pa sila ng Greek and the symbols. This was the part of the original foundation. I mean walls of the Garden Temple. Ankle shoes, Lito Atienza shirt, and a wonderful view. Look at that. And you know, once upon a time, this has served like a pagan temple. What I mean earlier, there's a bathhouse, like it's like a social thing. It's nice that they preserve it and they rebuild the temple where can still people experience the culture and the history. All right. Let's investigate their ruins. So around on it, let's see what it says here. Oh, there's a tour guide. I'm the tour guide on my own self. Don't climb the walls of the church. So this is a church floor. So oh, there's a nice view deck. First we'll investigate inside, and we'll check the view deck later on. Let's investigate inside. Yan yung chopper ko na pinapunta dito para protektahan ako sa sniper. So we're investigating the inside of the temple. Look at the step, are very steep. This is very steep. Step 1. Okay. Oh. This is the inside. Don't put coins. Okay. That's it. There's some writings on the wall. Okay. Okay, from this view of the temple, we're here in the viewing deck. From here, you will see the Symphony of Stone kind of thing. That's our next location to visit later on. Look at the houses over that side. On the cliff. Papakita natin. There were no cliff. Nice. Ganda ng view nila daily. Right. And this is the during the excavation of the Tower of Garden Temple carried out in 1963. Dragonstone. Oh, it was a dragonstone.
Basalt.
Ah. It says inscription Argisti. God Kaldi Argisti. Oh, that's their god Kaldi. Conqueror Giarniani, country of King Sulini. Okay, it's a good one. The mountain. Oh, look at the top of the mountain. There's a cross. All right. That's it. That's the visit to Garden Temple. And look at the stone turns. The stone tingini. Okay, that's it. We're going back to the car and visit the Symphony of Stones. That's a nice house. Bye bye. Okay, this is the Royal Bath of Garni. Still preserved with stones. Ayun yung pinaka chimney para mainit to make the water warm. The chimney where they can burn the wood. Nasa loob. Ayun. Ayun siya. You have to close it. Oh, bukas pa na pinto. Okay. So, as you can see, siya. So this is the this is the heat water, the hot water coming here. It flows. Oh, there's a said English. Oh, let's watch.
Ancient Armenians, like the Greeks and Romans, highly valued baths as places for cleansing and healing the body, as well as holding meetings,
So,
political discussions,
that's,
and performing rituals.
Chimney.
Built in the 3rd century, this royal bath consists of 5 rooms in consecutive order.
5 rooms.
The structure of the
1,
bath is the
2,
duplication
3,
of
4.
Heber's system
Where's the
common
5?
to ancient Rome,
Ah, yun yung 5.
curated with water supply, heating,
5.
and drainage.
1, 2, 3,
First room is the antechamber dressing
4,
room,
5.
a polyterium,
This is the chamber
followed by
room.
the cold water room, frigidarium, the
Okay.
warm water room, tepidarium, the hot water swimming room, caldarium,
So,
and eventually
1,
the steam room,
2,
sudatorium. The
4.
fire heated the water in the boilers above the furnace.
And that's the 5.
Pillars, the emitted heat and smoke flowed under
Okay,
the basin
correct.
with hot water.
Galing,
Then
galing.
reduced heat under the basin with warm water. Eventually, in its lowest heat, reaching under the floor of the basin with cold water. Both the brick pillars backing the floor and 2 layers of large slabs of fire brick tiles
That's the one.
placed on the pillars sustained the heat for quite a long time, evenly heating the bathing rooms.
We're
The
talking
smoke
about
also heated
centuries.
the walls before escaping through the roof.
This
It's
is the
of
one.
special importance to draw attention to the one-of-a-kind mosaic, the only fully preserved example of this type of artwork
That's
in the
mosaic.
territory of Armenia, featuring natural stones of 15 different colors.
Imagine that still alive.
The central part of the
Or
mosaic depicts
it's like
sea
centuries
deities Oceanus
old.
and Tethys, and
We're
other
experiencing
mythological figures. The Greek inscription reading "We worked without any pay."
Yeah, that's
suggests
correct. It
that
was
the
built
mosaic was
during
gifted
Greek
to
and
the
Roman time. Right, that's a brief explanation of the bathhouse. Now, I think it's our time to leave and visit the Symphony of Stone. All right, once again, I'll show you the surrounding of the bathhouse. All right.